Hi, I'm Shonda, and I'm going to teach you how to solve word problems. We are going to work on age word problems. When you are solving a word problem, you must do certain things in order to answer the problem correctly. These are the steps. Read the problem carefully, get rid of clutter, identify key variables, eliminate unneeded variables, use the text to write equations, solve it, find remaining variables. Okay, let's try an age word problem. Jan is twice as old as Jake. The sum of their ages is 5 times Jake's age less 48. How old is Jan and Jake? Okay, it's a little confusing. Let's remember our first step. Read back over the problem again carefully. Jan is twice as old as Jake. The sum of their ages is 5 times Jake's age less 48. How old is Jake and Jan? Now that we've done that, let's do the second step, which is get rid of clutter. There is none, so let's move to the third step. Identify key variables. Jan is twice as old as Jake. Together, their age is 5 times Jake's age less 48. Less 48. Okay. These facts are important. Okay, let's draw a picture. So Jake would be A, and Jan would be 2A, because Jan is twice as old as Jake. Alright, Jan is twice as old as Jake. Let's make an equation. A plus 2A equals 5A minus 48. You would combine your like terms. Let me get this right here. You would combine your like terms, and there's an imaginary 1 in front of the A, and that will give you a 3A. Then you would eliminate this by subtracting it by a negative 5A. And then you would do this to the same side, subtract it by a negative 5A, and you'd get 3A minus 5A equals 48, negative 48. And then you would subtract your negative 5A by your 3A, and you'd get negative 2A, and then you just bring down your negative 48. And then you divide this by 2, by a negative 2, and you divide this by a negative 2, and 2 negatives give you a positive, 2 goes in the 48, and that'll be 24. A will give you 24. So since Jake is 24, that must mean, since Jan is twice as old as Jake, that Jan is 48. To make sure the answer is right, we have to work it out. So 48 plus 24, because it said the sum of their ages. So 48 plus 24 gives you 72. And the sum of their ages is 5 times Jake's age. 72, his age was 24. So 24 times 5 is 120. Jake's age less than 48. So subtract it by 48, you get 72. And that's what you got when you added those two together. So that's your answer. The end.